It's like they're already aware that
yes.
for the office,
The NLC of the State Congress, as directed by the National Headquarters of NLC,
we are picketing this Labour Party secretariat and we are not sealing it out completely now. Fully secured, sealed.
To disallow their entry to the office again.
they cannot.
None of their members here. Hence, we decided to lock the office so that when they come, they will see that NLC was here to picket the office. Thank you. Solidarity
Forever.
Solidarity
Forever.
Solidarity forever.
Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong. Victory, there is victory for all. Victory, there is victory for all. In the struggle, for our members, there is victory for all.
Take your own space.
It was resolved as follows. 1. That given the intransigence of the national chairman of the Labour Party to unilaterally hold a national convention of the Labour Party, financial rascality and contempt for leadership of the NLC, the NLC state councils and state political committees should mobilize workers to picket all the state secretariat of the Labour Party, scheduled for Wednesday, 20th March 2024. 2. In view of this soon to be held all-inclusive national convention of the Labour Party, the NLC state councils and the NLC political committees should immediately embark on a statewide mobilization of workers to join the NLC political commission and the Labour Party. 3. The NLC state council and state political committees should work with our civil society allies, students, traders and professionals to ensure that the picketing and mobilization are successfully executed. Before we even got here, they are already fidgeting. They have locked up the secretariat. We have equally added our key to it. So the battle has just been drawn. So if they know what is good for them, let them go the National Political Committee and resolve their issues. So this is why we have come here, and this we must sustain.
The NLC,
with deep sorrow in my heart that I addressed this press conference today. I must say that while other countries of the world, especially the Scandinavian countries like Brazil, UK, and several other countries are celebrating the togetherness of workers, are celebrating workers in government, are celebrating where the labor movement is taking over government, and delivering the dividend and the socialist ideology to the working people of those states. In Nigeria here, the Nigerian Labour Congress specifically, who ought to be a source of strength to the Labour Party, is the one on a mission to destroy the party. I must state clearly that this mission did not start from the NLC today. That since 2014, the NLC has been on this mission to destroy the party. I must say clearly that whenever the party is on the path of making progress and success, the Nigerian Labour Congress will always come up to draw the party back. The NLC have been involved in several litigations against the party unwarranted. The NLC have been involved in several backstabbing of the party, drawing back the party in all ramifications since 2014. It's only Joe Ajero himself who can tell of the motive that is driving. But I feel very strongly that politically motivated to do what he's doing. And that's why if you listen to what I said clearly, that we will not allow him, and the government should not allow him to use trade union funds to pursue his political ambition from 2027. And that's why I have challenged him that he should resign his position as president of NLC and officially join the party if he wants to join the race of either the national chairman of the party or the president of the country or the governorship race in Imo State. I believe that his motive is politically motivated. But like I said, he is in the best position to say what his motives are. But from my own perception, for him to be this rascally, for him to throw away the laws of the land under the carpet and take to illegality shows a high level of desperation, a high level of greed, a high level of inordinate ambition. And I think that it is ambition that is taking too far. I say here clearly, all of you, including journalists here, are aware of the role we played in the 2023 general election. How we took this party from nothing to something. Even if that is the success we have recorded. The current action of the Nigeria Labour Congress, does it call for that? The answer is clearly no. Again, a labor movement that should be interested and happy that the Labour Party is coming of age. Today we have a governor. Today we have 7 senators. Today we have over 35 House of Rep members. Today we have members all over in the houses of assembly. And I know that there are workers' issues that requires legislative intervention. Should we not galvanize what we have and use it to get to where we want to be? It is very clear that it's in a mission of destruction, a mission to set the Labour Party back, a mission to destroy the party. And that is his motive. And I'm very categorical about it. But we will not allow him. Members of the party who have invested in the party, who have been in the party for the past 30-something years. I have spent 22 years in this party. I will not allow my investment to be destroyed by Joe Ajero, who is a visitor to the party. Okay. Imo State, the Nigeria Labour Congress is a subject of law. Nigeria Labour Congress under the leadership of Joe Ajero is not above the law. And the law precludes Joe Ajero and the leadership of the NLC to do what they did today to the office of the Labour Party, where they besieged the office, broke the office, destroyed the faces of the office, destroyed the gate of the office, unlawfully took possession of the secretariat, and destroyed properties worth billions of naira and properties of the party stolen away, including monies made for salaries and several other things were stolen from the office. And I think that this is unfortunate, this is unrealistic, this is becoming unbecoming of the Nigeria Labour Congress. The laws are very clear.